tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. Still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. But he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. But he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle. 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop. 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night he had a stomachache. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that he felt much better. Now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a
different in aroma, color, texture, and taste. Whatever I cook is simply great. I wear a coat that's usually white, apron and a hat that fits me right. I work mainly behind the scene, so in public I'm rarely seen. For many years I trained very hard to learn and master the culinary art, to perfect peeling, chopping and grating, stuffing, frying, blanching and baking. From the first course of the meal to the last, I prepare and serve it with class. From common to exotic dishes, I cook whatever my customer wishes. I may have helpers more than 9, yet to breathe I barely have time. To remember this I always try, too many cooks may spoil the pie.
It's so hard to get these leaves from my rooftop. I think I need to buy a ladder.
Assalamu alaikum, Zaki.
Wa alaikum assalam, Dawood.
Have you seen Butter today?
No, I haven't. What seems to be the problem?
Butter didn't come to the playground today. He always comes there after school.
Maybe he went home to help his mother with some chores.
I went to his house, and his mother said he wasn't there.
Maybe he went to the library or stayed behind in school to do his homework.
But Butter loves to come to the playground after school.
Everybody loves to play and have fun, but we also need to spend some time studying so that we can get good grades in school. Is everything alright, Dawood?
I think Butter is afraid to go to the playground.
Now why would Butter be afraid to go to the playground? It's so much fun there.
Well, some of the other kids have been calling him names.
Bullying? Nobody likes to be bullied. I'm glad you have told me, Dawood. Now we need to go find Butter.
Butter! Butter!
Butter! Assalamu alaikum, boys.
Wa alaikum assalam, Zaki.
Have either of you seen Butter today?
No, we haven't, Zaki. Although we could really use his help right about now to help us get this balloon down.
You're not tall enough to reach that balloon. Would you like some help?
Yes, please. It's my balloon. I saw it first. I touched it first.
Whoa! Wait a minute, guys. You shouldn't fight and be mean to each other. If you share the balloon, you can take turns to hold it and even play with it together. That sounds fairer and more fun. Don't you agree? Now why don't you both shake hands and agree to share like good brothers?
Okay, Zaki. It's my piece of string. I saw it first. I touched it first.
Butter!
Butter!
We'll never find him.
Somebody must have seen him. Assalamu alaikum, Zain. Have you seen Butter anywhere today?
Wa alaikum assalam, Zaki. Yes, I saw him today. He was walking towards the woods.
Thanks, Zain.
Now where did I put my glasses?
Badr,
Badr!
Badr. Oh, there he is. Assalamu alaikum, Badr. That looks like a fun comic you're reading.
Wa alaikum assalam, Zaki.
Dawood and I were getting worried about you. You didn't go to the playground after school, and we know that you love to play there. Is everything okay? Are you sure, Badr? Wouldn't you like to come with us to the playground?
No thank you. I don't feel like playing today.
Are you sure you don't want to come to the playground and play soccer with us?
I can't.
Why not, Badr? If something is wrong, then you can tell us.
Some of the other kids at the playground are calling me names and making fun of me. It makes me feel very sad and sometimes scared.
That's called bullying. Bullying is a form of oppression, and this is not allowed in Islam. When someone is calling you names, hitting, pushing, or shoving you, or do anything to make you feel threatened or afraid, that's bullying, and it needs to be stopped.
But what can we do if they're bigger and stronger than us?
If you ever feel like someone is making fun of you or trying to make you feel afraid, first you need to ignore them or ask them to stop. If they continue to make fun of you, then you can try to pretend you don't care, or even laugh and joke along with them, and maybe then they will stop. But if they continue to call you names and make you feel afraid, or even worse, if they hit you or push you, then you must tell a teacher, your parents, or a responsible adult. They can then talk to those who are bullying you and explain to them that it is wrong and it must stop.
But they make fun of me because I'm so tall.
Bullies will always make fun of people because they are different. But it's the thing that makes us different from everyone else that makes us so special. Come on, Badr. Let's go to the playground and play soccer. What's wrong?
Those are the kids who called Badr names.
Why don't we help them get the ball down first